Hello all, welcome to Data Breaks. So in our last video, we completed the IntelliJ setup. We also completed running our first program in Scala. We are going to cover Scala in another series. So please don't worry about the code for now. Right now, we are setting up all the environment needed for Spark, and later we will come up with tutorials for Spark, Hive, Scala, Kafka, NiFi, SQL, etc. So let's get started with running our first Spark program on IntelliJ. For running Spark program on IntelliJ, we need to include Spark related libraries in build.spt. You can get the Spark libraries from the below URL. I will mention the URL in the description below the video. So let's go to the official website of Apache Spark. You can search in Google Spark libraries in Maven, and then you will get the following link. Then you can, if you go to this link, and then you can get all the Spark related libraries available at this URL. So now there are some libraries that are required for running Spark programs. Some of them are Spark Core, Spark SQL, Spark Hive, and Spark Streaming. So we are going to include these libraries one by one in build.spt in IntelliJ. So let's go to the official website once again, and then first library that we are going to include is Spark Project Core. So you have to go to Spark Project Core, then you need to select the Scala version, then go to SBT, and then copy the following library, then go to IntelliJ, go to build.sbt, then you can paste the Spark Core library here. Similarly, for we will copy for library for Spark SQL. So let's go to the website again. You can search Spark SQL, and then you will get the following Spark Project SQL. So now select this, then again select the Scala version. Now go to SBT and then copy this as well. So now again we will paste this here in our build.sbt. So now the next library that we have to include is Spark Hive. So again let's go to the website, search for Spark Hive, and then click on search, and then you get Spark Project Hive. Then again select the version, and then go to the SBT tab, then select the following. Copy, and then again go to SBT, build.sbt, and then paste this. Then next is Spark Streaming. So let's go to the website again, and then we will search for a Spark Streaming, and then select the first link, Spark Project Streaming, and then we will again select the version, and then go to SBT tab here, and then we will copy this completely, and again go to IntelliJ, and then we will paste this. So now as all the libraries have been included, we will try to import the changes, or if the following option doesn't come, then you can click on this build option. So this is going to take some time. We have to keep our patience. So let the project build. So the project has been successfully built. So now we will again go to the Scala program that we had completed running in our last video, and then we are going to import the libraries in our Scala file. So import, you can give or dot apache dot spark dot sql dot, we will import Spark session. Then let's import another library, import or dot apache dot log4j. Then we will give here two things, level and logger. Then we will use the Spark session. We will later discuss in our further videos what is Spark session, so please bear with me now. Spark session dot builder dot, you can give app name as your first Spark program. Now let's give the master as local and get or create. Now let's give logger, so you only get the logs of only if there is an error. Then get logger, can give any name here of the logger. Then you can set level log4j, select the one which has log4j level dot, you will get the following option. So you want to get the logs if only there is an error, select error. Now we will try to print this, thus we Spark session object that we created. So now let's run our program. So our program run has started. So you see we get the output, the Spark session object and hello world. So in our next video we are going to see how we can import projects from GitHub, and also how we can set up our PySpark environment in IntelliJ. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.